I'm Raven. I'm 25 years old, and I'm an academic advisor at USC Columbia.
I'm Justin. I'm 28 years old. I'm a family medicine resident, a winemaker, and a husband.
Right now, we're renting a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Boiling Springs, South Carolina.
We're renting from a family friend, so they allowed us to turn the house into a business. But I'm starting my residency in West Columbia, and she just started her job in Columbia like 3 weeks ago.
I have been commuting about an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on the traffic, to and from work, so I'm excited to move closer.
As far as cost is concerned, though,
We've been approved for $285. I think that's where we should stay.
I'm looking at more like $250. I'm frugal and I'm cheap. And I'm cheap, like it's just, I'm both. It's just that on top of, just finishing medical school, having no income for the past 4 years, I want to spend as little as possible.
First up is exactly what Justin wants, a well-priced brick traditional.
This one, just looking at the picture, it looks a little older. It says 1948. I don't know, were we trying to go that old?
It might be newly renovated, so, I mean,
I hope so. But it's $250,000.
Mm-hmm.
It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I think we could use another bedroom. Like, we already in 3-bed, 2-bath. I thought we could go a little bit more.
This is a cute little house. It's not really a garage.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, John, good.
What do you think?
It's a cute neighborhood.
Well, look, this is a trendy area. For young professionals like you guys, that's who's moving into this neighborhood. And look, you're about 10 minutes away from USC, from your work.
We passed the hospital on the way in.
Did you really?
Yeah.
So let's go inside and check it out.
All right.
So what I like about this house is they've completely painted it and they've redone the hardwood floors.
All right.
Now, this kitchen is small. And this is definitely not enough space to put. You can put some canned goods, but that's about it.
I don't hate it. It could be bigger. It could be bigger, but I don't
We
hate
can't make it bigger. This is a pretty good sized bedroom.
One of the 2 bedrooms on the first floor you could possibly use as an office.
There's a second floor.
But wait, there's more. Yeah, it looks like a one-story from the outside.
Okay.
Let's look at the bathroom.
It feels like a half bath, but it does have a tub.
Yes.
But the tub is big.
So let's show you the upstairs secret hideaway.
Secret.
What? All right, this is kind of cool. This is the main bedroom.
Now, these ceilings are short. I don't
love
think
it.
that would
Look
work
at
for
us.
your head.
But it's different.
But it is different.
It's different.
Okay, so this is supposed to be the closet.
I mean, yeah, it is the closet. I think
The
the
pole
shoes
is
right there.
going right in the middle, so if you hang a shirt, it just blocked everything. I feel like Justin is being a little too optimistic just because the price point is low, but like you can't put your clothes in a closet that small. And then going in the rooms, it's really important for me to have my own space just because I feel like I'm a lot more neat than he is, and this house just doesn't have it. Okay, let's see what we're looking at today. Now, it's $270. You're probably not gonna like that. It was built in 2019, so it's gonna be new. Then it's 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's 2,241 square feet.
What are we gonna do with all the space?
You can do a lot of stuff with it. The houses are pretty.
No, I mean, it is pretty. They're just right on top of each other.
Well, how's the newlyweds?
Hey, Josh.
Good. We're still in that honeymoon phase.
What do you think of this contemporary home?
Looks like what you'd expect in a new build neighborhood.
Even though the houses look like the other ones, they all look nice, so that's good enough for me.
So Raven, the first bedroom is right here.
This is kind of small for a bedroom.
Yeah, so it could definitely be an office.
This home has a smart system, control your security, your HVAC, your sound.
So I can control the lights from my phone?
You can.
See, that's what you get with a newer house.
There's a full bath here on the first floor.
Oh, this is nice. I really like these countertops. I think these are granite. And now the whole world just opens up.
Yeah,
I like
except this lamp hanging down into the space. Actually,
We
this
might
is
can
fine.
just move that up.
I can't accidentally hit my head on it because I see it. Like, it's actually chest height, so.
You could change this out and just put a light
taller
that's
one.
affixed to the ceiling.
Easy.
And it
Everything
opens
is
up
just
into your
open.
kitchen It all flows together.
This is exactly the feel I was looking for. I could see us both cooking in here and not like running into each other. There's plenty of countertop space up here. Then you have the whole island. This is where you would lay out all your food for Thanksgiving, for Christmas. You could definitely fit 20 people in here easily.
And everybody could be
seats.
together.
Yeah. But it'll probably just be us two. But like, we can still
They'll come down for Christmas.
This is a beautiful home, but for me, it's just not right for right now. All the houses have massive yards.
They're spaced out like just enough.
230?
230.
I think this one's it. Look at the palm trees.
I like the
everything in
landscape.
bloom.
So it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,456 square feet, and it's been renovated.
It's just a brick house. It looks pretty unique.
The yard is pretty cute, and I like the location.
It feels like a big open space.
It does. I love
does.
the open concept, which is unique for an older house.
It's very bright, and I think that's partly because you've got the windows right there where the natural light could come through.
And that's exactly what I was looking for.
The fact that it's renovated gives it that feel of luxurious that you like.
I love the granite countertops. I like the fact that there is an island with space. I do like the upgraded cabinets. But if you look at overall counter space, I feel like a lot of this would be filled with like grocery bags with the food, and then like where are you preparing it?
This is more counter space than we have at our other house. We've got this island here that we didn't have before.
I guess if it's just us two, this would work, but for hosting, this wouldn't be enough space.
Let me take you up front here and show you this bedroom/office.
Well, this room is a lot bigger than I was expecting it to be. Because 4-bedroom, 2-bath with the 1,400 square feet, I thought all the rooms would be small. This is big.
I think it would make a great guest bedroom.
Now, one thing to consider is the bathrooms are towards the back end of the house. If you use this as a bedroom, that would be the only detractor.
Because you don't have a bathroom. Okay, now this was the size room I was expecting them to be.
This is tight. but
Tiny.
I can see us putting the desk like right here in this corner, or the desk literally right in front of the window. But this one could be your room. It's the smallest one. You don't need a ton of space. And there's four. There's
I don't
four
think
rooms.
I'd be able to fit my couch in here with it, though. So this one's bigger than the other room. Might be big enough to make my room, possibly.
Your separate living room.
Yes, my separate living room.
Okay.
Okay. I like the floors. I really like this shower tub combo.
See all the little shelves? Very modern.
This is the primary.
I like the size of this one. You can definitely fit a bed with other stuff. This closet much larger than
Walk
the
in.
others. Oh yeah, you could add
So
more
Ray,
shelving.
Okay.
You think that'll work for you?
Yeah, it's a pretty big closet.
Yeah.
Now, I think you'll like the bathroom.
It looks really modern with the upgrades.
I mean, I love having a back porch. You take a pressure washer to this, repaint it. This will look nice.
Tell me what you like about the house.
It has that old character that he likes,
Facts.
but then the inside is renovated, so it looks more modern, kind of how I like. I love that huge room at the front. You could do a lot of things with that. It's not set up the best for entertaining, like you couldn't put a full-size dining room table. So like if we had a small gathering, it would work. But it's just a good bit older than what I was looking for, and the kitchen was kind of small.
As far as I'm concerned, I think this is a good find.
All right, y'all enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. That's beautiful.
Newlyweds Justin and Raven are ready to buy their first home, if they can agree on one.
How did you feel about the smaller, 1948 bungalow?
So it was a lot older than what I was looking for. It didn't have an open floor plan at all.
I love that one, mainly for the yard. I could see us building a winery in the back corner of that yard, and not only fermenting there and bottling there, but then also putting some fire pits, tables, chairs, and that'd be a venue where people could come sit and enjoy the wine too.
But you still want to have a house that, like, the inside meets your needs too.
Sure.
Hey, what do you think about that 2-story contemporary house?
The really expensive one?
Oh, just $270.
I can see why you like it.
It had those nice bathrooms. It had the big closets.
John actually spoke to the HOA already, and they approved us being able to put a building back there and run the winery. Still, even if I put a building back there, it's tight, the neighbors are really close together.
But then the house also has a garage, so we could just grow a little bit slower and still use the garage.
But just the cost. I just think it's too much for us right now. At $230,000, the single-story traditional house is definitely the best one for our financial goals.
It was kind of surprising because I didn't think anything old, I would like the outside of it, but I actually liked that one.
Yeah.
And then the inside was renovated, so it had this really nice open layout.
We couldn't host 1,000 people, but we could host our immediate families.
Right. And then that one did have a deck.
The winery would fit right there perfectly. They really all could work. We really need to make a decision now. Ma! Pa! We chose the 2-story contemporary home. I knew from the moment we walked in the house and Raven's eyes lit up that this would probably be the one.
As long as Raven's happy with it, I'm happy with it.
I want to give him a full house tour.
Okay. My favorite thing about this house is I can fit all of my clothes in one closet.
Air conditioning in the closet.
I didn't even notice that. Yeah.
Yes, it's cool in the closet.
A little dressing room.
Nice.
The house was listed for $270,000, and we ended up paying $273,880, and that included all the closing costs. Check it out.
Right.
Beautiful.
The biggest challenge for me was just getting our ideas to match. If it was cheap, he was ready to go for it. I want something I actually want to live in.
Does anybody want a refill on wine?
Yes.
I like that it's only like 15 minutes away from my work, and it does work for the winery. This is the Mango. This is the newest one.
Oh, yeah.
I can see myself networking here, growing my wine business here, and continue to do that for many years.